Now it's your boy Ato Domudo Gigi1 of Igala Kingdom. Now, some of you do complain that my video is not complete. Now, if you are watching my video from the reels, you know that videos from the reels is not always complete. If you want to watch the full package, you will see my video. Follow my page, then there you click video, you see everything, the full videos there. So what are you going to do now? The package I have for you today is, do you have somebody who always cough? This cough doesn't want to go. Any kind of cough. I don't know how they want to describe it. I don't want to know. Cough is cough. So I'm giving you one remedy that can cure any kind of cough in this life. Just one remedy that can cure it. I still remain your boy, Ato Domudo Gigi1 of Igala Kingdom. Now, if you are having cough and this cough doesn't want to go, whether there's a spiritual hand in it to go and do this, believe you me, within some days, that cough will disappear instantly. There is power in nature. Now, what are you going to do? Get a dried banana leaf. Just dry banana leaf is your answer. Get a dry banana leaf, boil it with enough water. Boil it for a long time so that it will change its color to that brownish color. Then after boiling it, be taking a glass or a cup morning and night every day. Do it for just a little period of time and see that cough. In fact, I don't know how they want to call that cough. That cough will disappear. Any kind of cough. So go and do this and help yourself and share so that you can help others as well. Because a lot of persons don't have money to go to hospital. So you need to share this so that it will get to others. You understand? So please and follow me so that I'll continue to give you more. There is power in nature. Thank you. God bless.